left your mark on me. I won't show high love and emotion. And nothing, 'cause you're a good girl and you know it. You act so different around me. 'Cause you're a good girl and you know it. I know exactly who you could be. Just hold on, we're going home. Just hold on, we're going home.
We'll get you your team.
Yeah, but no. Oh, no, I can't do that. No.
Wait, what?
We don't want to do that, though. We don't want to do that.
A hit series, Gossip Girl. Who was Gossip Girl?
Humphrey.
You didn't buzz.
First of all,
Humphrey.
finish the lyrics. If I tell you.
Say I love you all.
Oh my God! Press ball.
People are sleeping here. If I tell you, say I love you. What the heck was that? Please remember December, because we're so in love. Yeah, I like boys. I don't know. What do you know about this?
You're right. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, no, lyrics came swiftly.
Yeah, but I guess it's that point. I used to play him.
Bis bald, ein schönes Wochenende, ein schönes Permitted. Help us make your trip.
You did your big one, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You did your big one.
Thank you so much.
Oh, très bon, très magnifique. Children, tiny, tiny, fun.
And everyone put everybody inside.
Right when you need a hero.
Let's go.
Wait, let me remove my shoe.
We've arrived, yeah. Architecture is very much the same in all the neighboring houses. It's literally giving twin, where have you been? So I'm gonna do a quick little tour. I'm gonna go and see what Candace and Glody are doing. Yep, the answer is nothing. They're literally they're knocked out. Like, they're actually knocked out, like, what the heck?
Happy birthday, Chidoro.
Oh my God, them.
Chidoro. Zero, visual box.
Guys, oh my days, that nap bust down. That nap was so good. Like, I was absolutely exhausted. But now that I'm revived and ready to tackle the night, we are going go-karting. Yeah, go-karting. Kai collected the top, my black linen pants, and Owen's bag. Like, yeah, I didn't really bring like activity wear like that. So this is just what we're gonna have to work with. Meji.
Meji, support and Lagos brand.
I think she's from the UK.
Oh,
Is she?
Yeah, I think she is.
Support brand.
Oh my days, that's in the Milo form.
Yeah, it's so cool because she really like showcases Nigerian culture.
Yeah.
She showcases Nigerian culture like through her like clothes and stuff, which is so cool.
Curly hair, I love it. Like curly hair down, like.
V, where's the girls? Bring the girls to V. Oh, sorry. Oh,
We train all the partners up on like different.
€25 for 20 minutes.
Yeah, we need to short time in it.
How much is it?
Let me see their face.
Go! Break it down! Break it down! Shut it down! Low.
And you came to me, you kept on laughing.
Yeah, I'll do that.
To me, you laugh. And I'm like, oh really?
So they got bumps and dumps.
You know what? I'll show you Pepper.
I banned Tolu, eh? He had no buck.
I'm like, chill. You were first for a bit, and then I passed you.
Oh my God, no,
and then Owen passed me. And then I was 10 for a bit, yeah? And then the whole of it shit happened. And then
I went a lap over you.
no, you didn't.
We all
Bro,
went a
I
lap
was
over
second. And then you came third. How does that make sense if you're
Some of the
not
time
over
I
me?
still did it rubbish.
My head really hurts because
Yeah,
I
it's
obviously
whiplash.
got injured.
It's
Yeah.
whiplash.
Oh my gosh. In the name of activities, don't do it.
Famous, yes.
Yeah. We're from America.
YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber, babe.
Star.
Yeah.
He's a footballer.
Thank you. Big goal big.
Okay, thank you.
Good night.
You too. Bye. Thank you.
It's actually so cute.
No, this one's actually
Yeah. So guys, we are at the marina. This is where the strip of restaurants are, and we're in the restaurant called Hookah. We're gonna get a bit of food here. Euro Summer Final Boss.
Final. And it was a paying cash.
The drinks have arrived, and I got like a drink called a Crazy Bird, and it's such a cool presentation of a mocktail. This is probably the coolest drink I've ever actually had. So let's do a taste test.
I bet so.
It's not going.
It is going. What do you know? Why do you think it's going?
It's alright. It's
okay.
not the guy food.
I think it has to like marinate, and then I was like, yeah, I get why the guy recommended this drink to me.
So tomorrow is sport day like this.
Approvals all around.
Then
Approval.
dinner.
Cammy's got a pineapple mojito.
What flavor is that?
It's all my days this slab. Owen got pizza. I got 3 sliders, 3 chicken sliders. Lodi got chicken noodles.
Check out the pizza.
Something, but I can't find the chicken. It's mostly noodles, but yeah. Ooh, that pizza looks wild.
Look at that. Fresh.
Oh, what's that? What's that? Is that prawns? Feck! Oh my days, I'm ready. I'm ready, Secco. Flip, those prawns are calling my name. Who's calling mine? No.
Bit spicy though.
Fresh.
So good. Good morning.
Today.
Look at all this breakfast, lads. We are gonna be fed so much today. Like, I can't wait.
Oh, morning. What's happening? So I made a little breakfast roll. And that's actually good though. I like it's like blueberry egg. Tomatoes, cucumber, egg. Yeah.
You're basically the bagel factory.
Shout out to Bagel One. I'm ready to fuck up with mini pancakes. Like, this is the real delicacy. So obviously this is fresh. Like you know, sweet pancakes. This I beg them to mad. Run into the bathroom is what you need. I haven't moved since we got here.
Just don't me to get already chopped. Like a kid. Who's made this? What mix is this? It's Afro House, I take it. I take it? Oh, watermelon.
Hey, this is a cheese board.
Yeah, I'm like, this is the least. That shit up.
Emote. Good as it. Guys, so Deborah joined us. She joined the Bodrum gang. Yeah. We are having sports day today. Owen is on my team. Big O.
You already know what to do.
Yeah. Our team name is OGO, like OBO, but like OGO baddest.
OGO baddest.
Guys, I want to win a medal. I won a medal when I ran the marathon, and this is my next one.
Yeah, this is the next achievement that's on the way.
So from one end to one end, you'll be passing information like there's a ball that's colored red at the top left corner. You pass that information to the next person. That person has to relate to whoever's going to start drawing it. On this.
The first game was a telephone game, but painting edition. 3 teams in total with 3 different players. One player sees the image, runs to describe it to the middleman, who barely remembers it, then tries to explain it to the painter from memory. It's literally a circle of confusion, but the closest painting to the original wins pride, because there's no prize.
I feel so bad for you. So basically, right, this is the paper like this. There's a vase. That's green. A vase that's green.
A green vase.
At the bottom here, there's 3 orange.
Green vase in the
center, right?
Vase center.
It's actually horizontal. It's not vertical. The picture's like this.
Okay.
The table's brown.
Brown table,
Yeah.
green vase.
Yeah. So this is basically
And the
fruits.
background.
Well, vase. Basically, essentially.
So is it fruits inside?
No.
the vase?
Vase is like a normal vase. Not a little kind of vases that you pour
Like
in a jug, like a jug vase.
Oh, yeah, like an hourglass vase.
Like a jug vase, like with the handle. Those kind of jugs that you drink, like you're trying to pour water into.
Did you forget? Oh my! And so it's a brown table. So just that's all I have for now. And then the background is like yellowish.
I don't care what color it is.
Stop cheating. Can't do that.
Losers.
Hi guys, hi chat. This is a double chat. We already won.
So, how do you feel like your team is doing? Like communication skills?
My own is hopefully he's quite artistic. I think he did art in school too.
So,
Even
being in
though
a team with your
our
brother and knowing.
Yeah, he's very annoying, and also he doesn't get things properly. Me though describing A, he's saying B. But anyways, say he wins the race. I feel like we're gonna win. I'm very confident. I feel fulfilled already.
Focus on your
That doesn't look like
your
a
own grind.
that doesn't look like a banana, lads.
your stuff.
Plantain looks a bit ripe.
Raspberry.
Yeah, so
Oju.
it's a bit so.
It's
Yeah.
covering. It's obviously gonna cover the.
So yeah, so it's just right in front of it, like a small bowl. But make sure that you put 8 raspberries, no 9 raspberries in it.
Wait, hold on. Let me just paint everything in.
They're saying that you guys are not doing that good.
This is not a chance for you to be looking at your partner's work.
So-
I'm gonna go first of all, your partner's
Let me see.
I'll
Let me
rough
just-
you up.
let me
I'll rough
just-
you up.
Let me look and let me approve.
Approve what?
Let us do this.
She said she wants to
That's
approve.
what he said. It's not.
So he's even drinking.
He's drinking the pain away.
He's so strong. You're from here.
10 minutes left.
So basically just
Oh really? It's almost over, isn't it?
so like the
this segment.
so what's next? 15 and then
Cheeto, moving on, please. And in first place is.
Yeah, no panic, Sean.
we step on there, 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 step on there, we step.
The more people you have in your team wins.
Okay, so we're playing Cheese Living, basically general knowledge questions. Come on, Abby, we're not here all day.
What animal is known as the king of the jungle?
Lion.
Lion.
No, what the
I saw his hand.
Oh my days.
So you go. What? Asking now. Is H2O more common?
Water. They play.
How many continents are there on Earth?
7.
Yes.
And that's my client.
Trivia is my base.
That's my client.
Louis Vuitton, Bottega, and Loewe are all parts of what global brand? No. First of all, no cheating. No.
LVMH. Fashion girly.
boiling point of water.
100 degrees Celsius.
I think it is.
It is. You're right.
I wanted him to answer the question though. I wanted him to answer the question.
Your face, loser! I want to step on you, I step!
So this
Which
is
is on your
award.
team, so you should.
This is a award search that is associated with everything Chido, basically. So it has favorite Nigerian artist, favorite Nigerian song, Snapchat username.
Okay, circle this one. Circle this one, bloody.
Which one?
Which one?
This one.
Where's my team? Hey, don't cheat. Stop, bro.
This.
No.
No phones allowed. Everyone bring your phone.
What's the A10?
No phones allowed.
I'll scribble that out.
That is not,
Favorite.
no, the 10 is shoe size.
Yeah.
His shoe size is 10. Sorry. Did you say Charlie's as his favorite thing?
Which button do I press?
Favorite takeaway. That's Charlie.
Yeah, the pan is on it.
So regardless of what happens, I'm so proud for you guys to be my teammates. I'll pick
We
no
can
one
delay
else.
2 rounds. I don't know what this player is
let's
happening with this something.
My favorite Nigerian song is.
Me, I don't jogodo. Me, I don't jogodo.
Which one? Jogo.
Don't vex me now.
Oh my god!
What's the right answer? Orientation.
The winners! Get out! Let me say!
To the Olympics 2025 is O.G.
So guys, for Chido's dinner, we're going to a place called Nona. So let's go.
Yo, get you to walk next. Wait, what else do you have? Oh, sorry, yeah,
Thank you. So guys, this is my outfit for Chido's birthday dinner. My whole outfit is actually from Vinted actually. My top is a Pucci. It's basically just a Pucci top. And then my jewelry is Zara. And my bag is Bottega. Bottega's for the Vegas. Bottega's for the Vegas.
Papa bullets.
Fit for today, y'all. This is vintage. I don't know what brand this is, but we have bangles, Sheen. This is vintage. The shoes, I don't know. And the hair is giving my own natural hair. Period.
Yeah, don't play with it.
Guys, the fit is giving brown and cute, you know. This is from Shein. This is a brand I don't know. This is Jean Paul Gaultier. Fendi on the shield. We can't really see, but yeah, 7 days. Period.
Dinner with the lads. This is such an aesthetic restaurant. Like, this is the bar, guys. Like, such a nice restaurant. What a wow. And I'll show you guys the menus that Chido customized. It's so cool. Let me show y'all. Chido did, you know, good job, eh? He's so funny. Like, but for starters, I'm gonna get the shrimp tempura, ribeye steak for the mains, and then I'll probably get tiramisu. Owen, do you know what you're gonna get, bro?
I feel like I'm gonna go for the rib tacos.
Rib tacos. Yeah.
And my main will be
Ribeye steak.
the rigatoni steak pasta.
Oh my days, you're gonna get a pasta
Pasta.
with no lobster.
It's like chili chicken. It's actually not chili, but
I got shrimp tempura.
You got
Yeah, it's really nice.
I got beef tacos.
This is the steak pasta. I got the ribeye to make them well. Guys, the steak's a bit cold. Steak is not going. It's cold. It's not going at all. Yeah. The cocktails lost as well. Like, guys, the cocktails here are not good either. This place lost. No.
Hustle. Voila, you want to send that bricklayer job? Let's go to hustle. Put on, yeah, you the bomb, 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 yeah, you the bomb. You say? You say?
All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth, then wind your waist to the big man sound, and I get too stiff cause I think too round. Good God, make me lift up your gown, but your face so sweet, wanna spin you around. If I go link gang, I'll bring you around. If I go to the bar, I'll bring you around. Which one? Which one?
Breaking news.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. One more year from them, Papa. Open that shit. Open it. I'm talking about in it. And if you want to, you better spin it. Spin it.
Hey, thank you guys. Oh my God.
Is it good?
Wait, unboxing. Do unboxing.
Hey, Gino.
Box, man.
That's good, man. Let me have it.
Oh my God. You won't cry. Oh, box idiot. I don't know if it's what you like though.
Let's try it. It might not fit you though.
Focus on the knees, wait, okay, flip them around.
You know for identity.
It's like my own, but different. Better not go collect. Babo,
Oti Babo. She said you know.
she's in the hand and over my head. Hey, bro, I'm sorry to
So guys, we're on the way to the yacht, and this is the marina where the yacht is located. Yacht, Yacht. This is our guide. Let's go.
At this point, I don't even know who's leading. Hey, Mademoiselle Chat.
Oh my God,
What do they call it? Mama Chat.
Let's take a picture. Yeah. Wheeler.
Oh my God, no 1.2 people in this. What up?
Let me show you guys the downstairs of the yacht first. So I'm most likely gonna take a little siesta in here. They have a nice little cozy bed. Match is a bit hard, but bags can be choosers. You have a bed there. You have a bed there. They've got another place here. Is someone in here? Oh my days, imagine. Bathroom. Is that a shower? Oh my days. If anybody wants to go for a swim, then they can at least clean themselves in the shower. Okay, and then we're gonna go upstairs. Okay, so this is the upstairs. Look at the view, guys. Like, the view is insane. Ali is making us our food. Go, Ali. My guy, Ali. So this is the sea bass. This is the sea bass, Ali, right?
Yes,
Yeah, this is the sea bass. And then the chicken is in the pot over there.
The diplomatic service.
Oh, like the watermelon balls.
It's actually,
Oh my god, no guys, the watermelon is too good. Like,
sweet.
oh my god, so sweet. Like,
You get like actually sweet.
Ali, my guy, don't ever play with him. Food looks great, Ali. Oh my days. Woo, more food, Ali. I'm gonna be so satisfied, brother. Thank you.
Let's not be. This is somebody's food though. Can you guys show me? One more.
This help. Sorry, finish. Anyone want chicken?
Yeah, please.
We're gonna find energy for you. Now about to body to the rock and the way I disconnect.
okay. Baba, if you here, make you no go collect. Power for your pocket if you give me connect. Kilo. Make you no go collect, make you no go collect. Bad boy, good bad boy. She say kilo. Stop and I feel her for my head. Hot box, you need the back on the escalade easy. Flex step. Before the jam, flex step. Kilo, flex step. Before the jam, flex step.
My friend Ali, my guy, thank you for your service. You did a great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. My girl, thank you. Hey guys, so another day, another solar. We are going to Villa Azor Beach Club. If you guys remember the last vlog that I did, not the last vlog, but a few vlogs ago, when we went to Bodrum the first time for a girls trip, we stayed in the Plage Residence, and that Plage Residence is the accommodation associated with Villa Azor. So it's just nice to come back here to actually experience the beach club properly, because last time we didn't really get to do that since we came during off season. So yeah, Villa Azor. Villa Azor.
Wait, guys, wait. Hopefully it is. I want like, yeah, bro.
Guys, look at how much food we actually ordered. Since there's a certain amount of money you need to spend at the beach club, we all ordered basically everything off the menu. So these are my prawns. Let me grab them over here.
That's just my prawn. Grass. That's my prawn.
What do you mean this is your prawn? These are my prawns. I'm so sorry. If you want to have a prawn battle, we can actually have a prawn battle right now. I'm not playing with you. These are my prawns.
Those are my prawns.
These are my prawns. Don't play. This is a super pizza, guys. Do you guys... My money back, yeah.
The money.
The burger is more bread than beef.
Not going.
Not going at all.
Hope your food is good today.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip, hip. Happy birthday. My couple's not glowing. Can't leave me out like that. Yeah, period. Like that shit.
Make a wish, make a wish.
And then,
Guys, look at Chino's cake. How cool is that? Nah, man, you don't old. Okay. Okay. Okay.
What was it called again?
Nah, man, you don't old.
Happy birthday, I'm a friend. I'm a friend. Let's just see my friend, my real friend, my bad friend.
Yes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, happy friend. Yeah.
One more year upon them.
Yeah. Give it to the life and I give it to the life. Yeah. Happy birthday, by me friend. Woo!
Champion the ladies, yeah.
Five. Cheers. Yay! My Igbo Queen sisters. Hey. Yeah. God. Come on. You have one more life left. Let's go. Yeah.
No, push that.
Mr. Monies.
We're going out tonight, lads. We're going out tonight. Just ignore the background noise because everybody's just up in arms, like flipping hell. And
You just have to vibe, like. Glody, you get you. Glody,
I got you, Candace. Like, let us breathe.
No, them no popping out.
Oh, wait.
Come back this way.
No, wait, I need to get my heels. Sorry, I can't be looking like bread. That's a pooper.
We're bad,
Hi, is this the place?
Is this the base?
There's no way. Is this the place? Hard.
Guys, what a vlog. We start today after the base.
Oh, okay.
J'ai mis mes lunettes, tu vois plus mes yeux. J'ai mis mes lunettes.
What you want to get? Smoke cigarette?
English, don't let Fiona. African girl, Viola. Rio de shake like cola. Back up, get closer.
Hey guys, another day in Bodrum, and we are going to the shooting range today, but I don't think I'm gonna do much at the shooting range. I've already shot up all my ops already in my past life, so I think I've conquered all my enemies. Go me! But the boys, so it's mostly gonna be, that's the activity for the boys, but we're just gonna all go together. But this outfit, you may ask, like, oh my gosh, if you're going to the shooting range, like, why are you wearing such a sweet, like, tennis outfit, like, where are you going, babe? We're also going to paddle, yay! I'm actually very competitive and I love playing sports. So when it comes to paddle and me, we go together real bad. We're like 5, 6, a goosey and pound of jam, like flipping out. It's gonna be a sports day, a sports-filled day. Is shooting range, I don't know if I classify the shooting range as a sport, but to each their own.
Fruits. And the Ruger.
Why are you?
Guys, my glasses broke. I'm gonna go karting, so I have to sell tape for now until I come back to Ireland.
Nobody, you.
Do
one. I'll do it.
Ow!
Come, yes,
What's your kind of lost to me?
Okay, yes, fair.
One!
Keep talking.
2, 3, that's good. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that's all.
Fuck you. Oh, this is like those Nollywood movies. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he was threatening me. Oh my gosh, he was threatening me. He was threatening me. Ay. Oh man, oh man. Literally. What? Yeah, 0-8. Literally. Them 7, 8, 9. None of the 6s. Oh, probably a few 2s. Yikes. Papa is giving papa. It's giving pop. My heart's going pitter potter. Hey. Oh my days. Totally, you destroyed them. Totally, who are you fighting?
Guys, 4 rackets for you.
Thank you.
And the balls. Is it indoor or outdoor?
It's outdoor.
Oh hell. Outdoor.
But I don't think there's an indoor one.
Yeah, no, not here. But there should have been like indoor.
There should have been an indoor one.
AC and paddle.
Yeah, honestly, because it's actually too hot.
What the hell is this?
This place, I want to go this ride.
Oh, it's actually nice. It's nice. It's
Come on.
not even quite though.
Whatever.
Sit here for now.
Is the sea hot?
I'm gonna fire.
Guys, I really wish there was an indoor paddle. It is 40 degrees. I am burnt to a crisp. It's not even funny. Like, why is there not an indoor paddle with AC? Cool. Oh my days. My armpits are sweating and my other armpits are sweating. My forehead is sweating. Everything is sweat stain. Like, I am sweating. Oh my days. Like, I love the hot. I love sunny weather, but damn. Where the AC? Turn the AC on. Turn the AC on. Turn the AC on. Hey, turn the AC on. Turn the AC on. Let me go nourish the players on the court. Take one. Hey, diplomat. No. Hey, I won.
There is all these are courses.
Hakkasan. We're going to Hakkasan. Like, we came out when it's literally Dark Vader vibes. If you're coming to Hakkasan, come before sunset, because the views are a bit more pleasing to the eye. Going down. I'm going down. I'm going down when you ain't around. Oh. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're a great driver. Keep up the good work. Kitchen closes in 20 minutes. Oh my days. You know black people.
Are you vlogging this?
You know black people. Sorry. Yup. Oh my days, same dinner table that we had last time. What a joke thing. Look at all the food that we got. What the hell? Oh my days, I can't wait.
Oh, these are done, yeah?
Yeah, food looks so good.
It's ready.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
You get that
That's all. I like this one.
What? Oh my God. So Richard, you're paying. Richard.
Bro, exactly. Thank you, Richard.
Richard, you're paying for it, man.
Right now. What was it? Ogachi? Ogachi with me. She makes me famous. I'm so happy right now.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, and what's your name?
My name is Uluch.
Uluch,
not Zuluch. Uluch.
Uluch
Yes,
was
right.
our waiter today, and he was the best waiter ever. Yeah, he ate.
Thank you so much.
Uluch. Yeah, you're gonna be famous, Uluch.
Thank you so much.
Guys, the food was so good. Pakistan never disappoints. So this dress is from... Oh my days, I forgot where this dress is from. But I know I got it from... Oh my days, I actually forgot where I got the dress from.
Too many dresses.
No, I don't. Oh, it's so pretty. No, I got this dress from...
Bad, good problem, isn't it?
Oh,
Good or bad problem?
Is it IGE?
No, it's actually a really good website.
Yeah,
like
fuck
an
it.
unknown website.
Say yeah, I'll just throw it up the corner when I remember what it's called.
Yeah, I'll throw it up the corner when I remember what the
Or if it's giving Sheen code, she code would be right here. Link in bio, 5% referral.
Don't start yet.
This is my sister's outfit. You better say something nice. Go Candace.
Okay, so my top is from Shein.
Yeah.
My skirt from Shein.
What?
Skirts.
Oh my days! Fucking hell!
No, it's Candace. Thank God.
Okay.
No, nigga, I top dead.
My love is your love.
Next time, you guys should always do that.
Views from the 6 Minas Bodrum. How did you think the trip went, Chaz?
It was great. I enjoyed myself, man. Very chill. Nothing much to say, as a diplomatic staff.
Oh, here we go. Diplomatic. How did you think the trip went?
All was spectacular, enjoyed, lost my voice, found it again, and lost it again. All we vibe, but all now 10.
10.
No, yeah. And if you want him, man, he gonna spend. There's some money in his Hello, man.
Check in before we depart. Hey guys, so we are on our way back to Dublin. Look at the area. We are in the sky. Oh, we're in the clouds already. They don't play. So thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I appreciate you all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know the vibes. Catch you in the next one.